Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be coming to you today because I'm going to be sharing with you something that I see literally all the time in mom Facebook groups. Yes, I'm in mom Facebook groups, do not judge me. Just being asked by people consistently, social media, everywhere. It's searched so much. It's how to work from home or how to make money from home. So today I'm going to show you 5 different ways to make money from home that I've personally tried or am doing, which is awesome. So if you're a mom or if you're a student or if you're just wanting to make a little extra cash on the side for the holidays, this video is going to be perfect for you. And so let's get into 5 ways you can make money from home. Number 1, apps and referrals. So this is something that is huge that I love to do just in my spare time, like if I'm watching a movie with my girls or if I just am at the drive-thru, is taking surveys online. There's a bunch of different apps that you can use to take surveys. They pay you anywhere from like 50 cents to $1, but that adds up. Some of my favorite sites I'm going to be putting down below. If you have extra time, even while you're like sitting on the toilet, just pull up the app, take a couple surveys, and you'll see a little bit of extra cash roll in. There's some that do actual cash that pay through PayPal. There's some that do gift cards. It's just an extra little great way to make a little money from your phone or on your computer. The other part to this are apps that will save you money and you can get money through referrals. So apps like Doordash, Ebates, Honey. These are sites that you can actually use to save money on what you're already buying, because like you're buying stuff at Walmart, you're buying stuff at Target, you're shopping at Old Navy. I see you, girl. You're shopping at these places, so might as well be saving some money. I've made about like $500 the past couple of years, like year and a half, of it just strictly using Ebates and using Doordash and using these different apps because they give you cash back on all your purchases. So I know it's not technically making you money now, but it does add up and it is a little way to just get a little fun check every quarter. I also want to let you know that if you refer people, you can get money. So if you have friends that don't have Ebates, or if you have friends that don't have Doordash, or you have friends that don't have any of these sites, send them your custom link. It's a great little way to like spread the word and get a little cash back extra. So number 2, kind of obvious, but selling stuff that you already own. This is huge. I make a good amount of money every month just by cleaning out my house. I go through my kids' clothes, I go through my clothes, I go through my kitchen, I go through everything, anything that I haven't used in like a month or 2 or 3 and I know I'm not going to be using soon. I'm like, let's get that out of here, let's get rid of it. So just go through your house, see what you can find. So my advice is to go through your house once a month, get a whole load of things, and then you can either put them, depending on what it is. I like to put my stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I also like to just put it on my personal Instagram. And then a couple other places that I like to go, especially for clothes. ThreadUp is a great internet one that you can just throw in a bag and you mail it to them. They only take usually about 40% of their clothes, but they do pay pretty well. Or Kid to Kid for children's clothes, or Uptown Cheapskate for adult clothes. I do try to sell all my stuff before on Facebook or Instagram because those are typically places that you can get a little bit more money than what these places are going to offer you. But you know, that's a little bit of extra cash coming your way if you can just clean your house, just sell what you're not using. I know you're not using that panini press that you've been having in your little cupboard for 3 years, or your ice cream maker, or that ugly throw pillow that your Aunt Sally gave you. Like, I know you're not using it. Somebody else. It's crazy that somebody else will love the crap and pay for the crap that you're not using. So don't ever count anything out when you're going through your stuff, because I guarantee somebody wants it, right? Number 3 is affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of affiliate marketing. This is what all the bloggers, the YouTubers, this is what people make a lot of their cash off of. But I think that it's crazy that so many normal people like you and me are not just using this to our advantage, because Girl, I guarantee that somebody's asking you where you got your kid's sweater, or where your couch is from, or where that new kitchen gadget you got is from. You could be making money off of these different things by sharing things you already own, by sharing things that you've already bought. So basically, affiliate marketing is the company that is selling the item will give you a percentage of the sale if you refer people to buy it. I don't know, you just get money for telling people about stuff and they go buy it from your direct link. So a couple places that I love to use for affiliate marketing are share sale. Okay, disclaimer, if you're not a blogger. So there's a couple of sites that you have to use if you are a blogger. Like, you cannot get at, like, I've tried our style. They're like, heck no, we don't want you. You're not cool enough for us. And I'm like, okay, sorry. So they want just bloggers, but there's a couple of sites that normal people can use to get some extra cash. So the Amazon affiliates, that is the first one. They only have a 24-hour window that people have to buy when they're using your link. So make sure if you are sharing that link, people buy within the first 24 hours. The second place I like to do is share a sale. That's another great one. Shop Style, there's a couple other ones too. I'll link them all down below so you guys can check them out, but just apply, and then you can also apply for different programs. But honestly, Shop Style has like most of the places that you're going to be shopping on there. Super easy to create links, so that's my first one you should totally check out. And then Amazon affiliates, those are two great places that I know that things that you are buying or you already have are currently you're going to be able to make a commission off of. And this commissions are anywhere from like 2 to like 20%. When you are in these websites, you can see right here, when you are in these websites, you can kind of scroll down and see what your commissions would be. I know some of them seem little, but it adds up in time if you are consistently sharing what you are already buying, or you already have, or you know, are getting asked about. So might as well make a little cash money. Ching ching. Number 3 is direct sales. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, direct sales. I know guys. I know. You don't want to be another person that is trying to peddle some product on people, but you know what? Direct sales works. Direct sales is a reason why so many people can stay home with their kids and make a good amount of money. So I'm recommending it because I know it works, because it's worked for me. So with direct sales, there's so many different companies out there. So you just need to find what speaks to you, what you like. There's oils, there's makeup, so many different makeup brands. You should join mascara though, because it's the best. There are different kinds of like workout gear, workout, weight loss. There's men's, there's women's. So when it comes to direct sales, the 3 things that I would tell people to look for is 1, a product or something that you feel comfortable and that you would like to promote. 2, a good reputable company that you do your research on, make sure this is a legit company and that they are honest. And 3, check out the comp plans, because when it comes to direct sales, there are all commission plans are not created equally. And the best thing about direct sales, it's just like affiliate marketing with higher profit margins, and then you also get profit on anybody that signs up under you. So that signs up from you sharing the program with them. And if you find a company that actually is something that you're passionate about and that speaks to you and that you really like, you can be so successful and you can bring in a residual income for your family. So direct sales. The 5th and final way that you can make money from home is actual at-home jobs. So for example, I am an English teacher for kids in China for 2 different companies in the mornings, and I absolutely love it. It's been so good for me. Secret, I actually went to school to be an elementary education teacher before I quit. Oops. So it's been so good for me. It was a perfect fit and I get paid really well and the hours just work well for me. I'll be doing a video kind of reviewing the pros and cons of teaching English online, so keep a lookout for that. But there are so many different other at-home jobs that you can look up. Rev.com, transcriptions, medical coding. There's so many different options out there. Putting some other companies below in the comments that you can try out, but like Lyft, Uber, Doordash, those are places that are always hiring if you have a car and you can drive, and they're very flexible with your schedule. You turn it on when you want to work, you turn it off when you don't. Some other places I know that hire at-home jobs are like security companies. If you're local to Utah, I know that Vivint does. There's just so many different places that you can find that do hire at home. I feel like companies are coming to the sense that like, oh, we should let people work from home. 1-800-CONTACTS. Airlines have people that do customer service from home. There's just so many different places that do at-home jobs. So if you are looking for like the 9-to-5 at-home job, there are options out there. So I'll put a couple links below of some different places, and if you do have some questions about teaching English online, make sure to leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you and look for that video because it's gonna be a good one. Gonna give you the pros and cons, gonna spill the tea on teaching English online. So that is it. That is 5 ways that you can make money online right now. So visit all the links below, check them all out, and if you have any questions, of course ask me because I'd love to answer them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not what I typically do, but I'm trying to like move more into like mom and money and business and makeup and everything. I'm just trying to be a well-rounded channel for you guys because, you know, I'm not just all makeup. Hair flip. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure to press the subscribe button and check out my other videos. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.